So we are heading to the land. A bunch of pipes that cut about 10 feet.
5, 6, 7 days pass. So I have 16 pieces of 10 feet. No,
16 feet. 16 pieces of 10 feet. On doing the irrigation system, and then hopefully we can start planting. But it's just to find some way of adding the water to the plants. That the pipes, we're hooking them up to that drum, the tall one. That one we're leaving for our mango tea. We put this plastic mulch down. So all of it. Stuff. Put this on it. Thought that it would help me catch water. Somewhat did. Not a lot though. And it's been raining. The soil here over here is wet. Really wet. So what I might have to do is take what you call that? The drain, 2 small drains, and see if I could angle it inside the thing. But it's wet. Underneath it is wet, so that's nice to know, nice to feel. Yep, it's working. It is working so far.